Are you getting the "following components are required" DirectX Runtime error when trying to launch the Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion Remastered? Don't worry. This is a common and easy-to-fix issue. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install and fix missing DirectX Runtime components so you can get back to adventuring in Cyrodiil on Windows 11 or Windows 10.